respective places. I welcome all of you to Uncle Sabby's Vegan Kitchen, a place where cruelty-free cooking takes place. In today's video, we are going to cook something very yummy, something very nutritious, something which is cruelty-free. Yes, today we are going to make zucchini sticks. You can serve it as a starter, you can serve it for snacks with the drinks, or you can even serve it to your kids because it is nutritious and very yummy. Here we have got a medium-sized zucchini. I'm going to chop it into form of sticks. We have chopped all the zucchini into the form of fingers, right? And now we are going to prepare the batter for deep frying them. That is going to be the next step. Let's prepare the batter for deep frying the sticks. So in a bowl, I'm taking 6 tablespoons of all-season flour. 3, 4, 5, and 6. To this I'm adding 4 tablespoons of gram flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour. 1 and 2. For crispiness I'm adding this. Fine. So let's look at the spices. First and foremost I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 2 tablespoons of white rock salt. Alright, now the next step, I'm going to thoroughly mix all the ingredients. See, you need to thoroughly mix it so that all the spices get thoroughly mixed with the flour. Water to the flour, and now thoroughly whisk it. The consistency should not be too liquid or too solid. Should be semi-solid sort of thing so that the fingers get easily covered. Wow, I love this consistency. See how nicely it has come up. So while you are whisking it, you will come to know how much water to add, because you want a nice covering over the fingers. Fine, so the batter is almost done. So I'm now whisking it in the opposite direction. Whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes so that it gets mixed thoroughly with the spices which we have added. So we have preheated the oil at 1800 degrees heat for almost 7 to 8 minutes. Now, one by one, we take the fingers, we cover them thoroughly into the batter, and like this, and we put them in the oil. Noodles have got an amazing aroma. Awesome. Lovely, lovely. Friends, serve them with any dip which is available in your house, or serve them with tomato ketchup or green chutney, whatever is available at your place. Thank you friends for watching this video. Those of you who watch my channel for the first time, I request them to kindly subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share the video with your friends. Bye. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video very soon. Keep rocking and keep rocking.